Hello students, welcome back to my YouTube channel Supreme Learning Academy. So this is round 1 Neet 2026 cutoff, branch wise, college wise. So here general category, EWS category, OBC, SC, ST. First two column is general, next two column is EWS, next two column is OBC category, next is SC and ST. This is round 1 college wise, branch wise category cutoff. So here I am going to upload branches wise cutoff. Anesthesiology, anatomy, different branches are already uploaded. Which branch you are looking for, go check my channel to get the branch wise cutoff. So here in this channel, in this video, we are going to see the cutoff about branch biochemistry with different college. So let's get start. Before we start, if you are new to my channel, go subscribe the channel and share to friends, and don't forget to hit the like button. So here first college is Chandigarh, PGA-MER Chandigarh Biochemistry branch. For general category, cutoff is 1871. Only one seat is available. For EWS, no seats. For OBC, no seats. For SC, ST, and no seats. Next, come to next college, AIMS Jodhpur Biochemistry. For general category, cutoff is 2613. For EWS, no seats. For OBC students, cutoff is 5081. Only one seat. For SC student, 14,529 is the final closing rank. Now for ST students, no seats are available. Next, come to AIMS Mangalagiri branch is biochemistry. For general category, closing rank is 4,284. For other categories, there are no seats. Next, come to next college, AIMS Patna. For general category, cutoff is 4,301. For EWS, no category. For OBC, 8,321. For SC, ST, no seats. Next college is Guwahati, AIMS Guwahati. So biochemistry branch. For general category, 4,354. For EWS, no seats. For OBC, 8,997. For SC, 21,077. For ST, 29,259 cutoff. Next, come to next college, AIMS Bathinda. For general category and for EWS, SC, ST, no seats. Only one seat is available for OBC category. So cutoff is 5,615. Next college is AIMS Bhopal. For general category, OBC, SC, ST, SC, no seats. Only OBC 5,667 cutoff. For ST 19,836 cut off. Next college is Bhubaneswar, AIMS Bhubaneswar. For SC, ST, for OBC, for ST category, no seats. Only EWS cutoff is 12,610 and for SC 20,355. Next college, Deoghar. General category, OBC, no seats in Deoghar. Next in Kalyani, in AIMS Kalyani. For general category, no seats. For EWS 15,304, only one seats. For other category, there are no seats for other category also in Kalyani. Next is Nagpur, no seats for general category and EWS. Only OBC and SC is available. For OBC category, cutoff is 8,896. For SC category, cutoff is 19,872. Next college, AIMS New Delhi Biochemistry branch. There are no seats in AIMS New Delhi in round 1. Next one, AIMS Raebareli for biochemistry. Only OBC, only one seat is available. Cutoff is 8556. Next is Raipur Biochemistry branch. For EWS only one seat, 14,267 is cutoff. For other category students, no seats. Next one, AIMS Rishikesh. OBC students cutoff is 5,997. For other category, there are no distinct. Next one, AIMS Rishikesh. Next one, JIPMER Puducherry Biochemistry. Only OBC students, only one seat is available. Category cutoff is 4,377. Next come to biophysics only. It is available in AIMS New Delhi. So that is for OBC students cutoff is 2,269. Only one seat is available. For SC students cutoff is 12,964. Only one seat. For other category students there are no seats for biophysics. So we are discussing branch wise, category wise, round 1 cutoff, different category. Which category you are looking for, go check my channel. You will get category wise, branch wise, which college you are looking for, which branch you are looking for, so that are uploaded separately. Go check channel, you will get the separate video for your related category, this thing. So if you are new to my channel, go subscribe the channel and share to friends, and don't forget to hit the like button. Stay tuned for next category. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.